What's up everybody, it's Sean here, and today I'm back with another Roshe 2 review brought to you by Finish Line. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Roshe 2 Breathe in the Trooper colorway. So first off, another big thank you goes out to Finish Line for sending these over to me last week. So this is the Roshe 2 Breathe model, which is basically the same take on the Roshe 2, except they've stripped away some weight, made it a bit more breathable, and as a result, this is a great shoe for spring and summer. So the official colorway for this shoe is Trooper, white, and black, and they retail for a price of $100 US or $140 here in Canada. As you can tell, the majority of this shoe is done in this Trooper color, which is basically like an olive or like an army green color. Just to give you guys a quick comparison, in this hand I have the Roshe 2 in the Iguana colorway, and then in this hand I have the Trooper colorway. So comparing them side by side, you can tell that they're very similar to one another, except the Iguana color is maybe a bit darker and the Trooper colorway is a bit more faded. Looking at the materials of the two, on the Iguana pair, this one is a lot thicker and it seems more rigid and not as breathable. And when you compare that to the Trooper colorway, this one is noticeably lighter weight and it seems a lot more flexible. A nice addition to this shoe, which gives it a nice militaristic look, are these suede mid panels found on both sides of the shoe. And then on the actual mid panel, there is this debossed Nike swoosh, also done on both sides. On the back heel, there is this nylon pull tab, along with this Nike logo embroidered into the suede material. There's also another pull tab featured on the top of the tongue, which also features this Nike logo fused onto the top. And then running up and along the tongue, there are these big perforated holes, which adds more breathability to this shoe. The laces on these shoes are your standard Roshe 2 rope laces done in the same Trooper colorway, but the cool thing about this is that on these laces, they actually have metallic lace tips. The overall silhouette of the Roshe 2 still hasn't changed, so this is still done in that same one-piece booty construction, which means the tongue and the rest of the shoe is connected in one piece. Along the interior of the ankle area and the back Achilles area, there is additional padding on this shoe. The insoles on these shoes are removable and they are very thick, very padded, and they add to the overall comfort of this shoe. They're done in this black color and they feature this Nike swoosh logo found on the heel. The midsoles for these shoes are done in a split color fashion, so on the top half we have the Trooper color and on the bottom half it's done in white. Finally, flipping the shoe to the bottom, we have your traditional Roshe 2 outsole done in white, and it has this Nike logo right here in the center, along with these independent pods running up the length of the outsole, which gives the shoe additional flexibility. In terms of sizing, these do run true to size, so I would stick with your normal Nike size, which in my case is a 10.5. Comparing the sizing between the Trooper and the Iguana, these ones are a little bit looser because of the thinner material used on the upper, but it's not a big enough change that I would warrant going down a half size. In terms of comfort, you guys probably know how big of a fan I am of the Roshe 2 model. These shoes are extremely comfortable. The Roshe 2s do feature this tri-density midsole foam, which means that the foam used that's directly underneath your foot is going to be the softest, whereas the foam used on the outsole portion is going to be the most durable and the stiffest. Combining the midsole with the plush insole makes this shoe extremely comfortable on feet. Comparing this to something like an Ultra Boost, for example, it's not going to be nearly the same, so the Ultra Boost is going to be a lot bouncier, whereas this one is going to give you a very nice plush cushioning, but it's going to feel like you're a lot lower to the ground. So now I'll give you guys a quick look at how these Trooper Roshe 2 Breathes look on feet. So that wraps up my quick review of the Nike Roshe 2 Breathe in the Trooper colorway. Another big thank you goes out to Finish Line once again for hooking me up with this pair, and as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.